Good morning. Today we're going to be making some breakfast on Meals with Micah. If I had to give you one takeaway, it's that for breakfast we should stop eating so much sugar and processed carbohydrates. Really, it's a good idea to focus on high quality fats and proteins. Eggs are of course a great way to get that. Let me show you a recipe to make an egg soup called Changua. It's from South America. First, coffee. Okay, for a serving size of 2, I'm going to start 3 cups of water in a medium saucepan, and then I have all my other ingredients laid out in front of me here. Let me show you what I'm working with.
Dice up about 2 tablespoons of onion, and that goes straight in the boiling water. Next up, about a tablespoon of garlic. Get some fresh cilantro, separate the stems from the leaf, and drop the stems right in your boiling water. Next, dice some bite-sized pieces of either Yukon Gold or red potatoes. Now you can remove and throw away these stems and get these potatoes starting to boil as well. Add some salt and cook them for about 10 minutes or so, till they're soft and fall apart like this. Now add a half a cup of milk. Here I'd recommend cracking your eggs one at a time and pouring them into the soup one at a time so that they don't stick together in the process. Immediately turn the heat off and cover the pot. Let's chop up that cilantro leaf and portion it in each bowl. Gently check to see if the whites are cooked and the yolk is jammy, and then portion 1 egg per bowl. Now just divide the rest of the soup to each portion.
All right, there it is. Only about 15-20 minutes and we have a delicious, nutritious breakfast. Something much more comfortable than cold cereal or a sugary pastry. You got protein, you got fats, and you got something warm to fill you up in the morning. So please keep watching Meals with Micah. Like and subscribe, share with a friend, and as always, comment below. Tell me what you think about today's recipe and what you might like to try in the future. And comment and tell me if you cooked Changua. Tell me if you liked it or not. Till next time, have a great day.